Alright guys, it is now the inside of the car, and the plastic cover is just for me to lay down on, so working on the dash, but there you go, that's much better. Anyways, there's the hood prop, still waiting to figure out how to take that out. Let's see here. Original dash still here. Defroster. There's a nice little block plate for an extra, you know, I can put a fog light switch on there or whatever. Let's see, the wire harness to go to the rear, behind, so it starts off in front. I guess they put the insulation on and then cover it up later, but as you can see, it's very original car. I gotta take this off, the one that goes to the top, clean it, needs to be cleaned. Same thing on the other side. I'm probably just gonna leave the radio antenna cable on there, but yeah, that's what the car looks like originally. I left all the bolts that hold the panels on where I can, since I don't plan on, since I don't think they're going to be working on the inside. Anyways, so let's see what's inside here. The dash and the headliner, and then the door panels still have the door assemblies, but that should be pretty easy to take off. And yeah, that's where the car's at. Oh, there's the brake pedal. Not rusted like most other cars you see. Brake pedal bracket is still very clean. Again, very supports. Again, it supports the thing. My idea that it is a 67,000 original car. All right. Good night.